Hey everybody, it is Ro. Welcome to the channel. If you're one of my subscribers, this is an update on the car and the channel. If you're new, what happened in the last video is my intercooler pump went out and the temps went up on my supercharger and it started making a rattling noise. So I had to send it off and get it rebuilt. Got new oil, gears, seals, bearings in it. And I have been going through hell with this supercharger, and it's partly my fault. I'll tell you why here in a sec. So we got the supercharger rebuilt, which took about 2 months. Got it back, put it on the car, and I stripped one of the bolts out. So I had to take it to a shop, get it machined, get it rethreaded. Brought it back. It's fine, no problem. Got the supercharger all back together, back on the car again. So then I got me a new pump, and this is the CWA 400 Pierberg pump. If you look it up online, you will see that everyone uses that pump for Challengers, old Challengers, any swap they do. They put Hellcat motors in it. Most people are using this pump. So I got the pump working, got a new pump, got it working, got it wired up. Got it wired up. If you look it up, I use the exact instructions they use. Anybody can do it. I've never wired anything up to this car. I've never wired anything in my life to one of my cars. So I got the pump on, got the supercharger on, and it was still making the rattling noise. So now I'm gonna take the supercharger apart. Or I'm gonna keep the fuel lines hooked up, the coolant system, because we have no air in it now. Coolant system's working good. I'm just gonna unplug the injectors, take the bolts out of the supercharger to lift it up, take the belt off, and I'm gonna lift the supercharger up, prop it up, keep everything plugged in the back, and I'm gonna pull this snout off, and now we're gonna send the snout off and get it rebuilt. Then when I get that back, they said it should only take 3 to 5 days turnaround time. When I get that back, we'll put it back on, and this whole entire supercharger will be brand new, and there should be no problems at all. We got the pump working, everything's good. So that's just an update on the car and the channel. Appreciate everybody that's been watching, and if you're new, hit the subscribe button. This car is gonna be stronger than ever once we get it back together.